Jolony weche mag yuto mag nam onyiso luoro kaluwore gi kwan atamalo maduong' mag plastik mayudore ei nam. Gino magikoni kidek rocho ngima oganda makwar machamo rech e thuolo mabiro. Kaluwore gi ngire Shaukat Abdulrazak, ma en jagoro mongirore bad migao mochung' ne timo nonro mag sayans. Nonro yango ni rech kaachiel kod chwech mamoko chamo plastik ma bang'e duogo donjo kuom jogo machamo rech, gino makidek rocho ngimagi. Jatelo ne oloso e kaunti ma Mombasa e nyasi mar loro ayanga romo magalamoro mane twak ewi yuto mag nam to kod riwruoge mopogore manyalo tiyo kod lony manyasani e bero yuto makamago.
Leafy County, the only one in Africa, so to speak. We need to see how we can be able to expand that and upscale that. If you look at the seaweed that is available in this part of the world, in this part of the country, see how we can be able to use it into so many things, from the cosmetics, from the food chain and so on and so forth. But also very important is how we are managing our plastic and microplastic that is really choking the marine life, so to speak. And if we are not careful as we go into the future, we will be consuming just microplastic more than even the fish itself.
We have over 100 innovation hubs in the country, and these are the houses that house startups, innovators, inventors that are taking Kenya to the next level. So there's a role of the private sector like ourselves, but then there will always be government role, and government will always enable us, maybe provide the best environment in terms of the policy framework, enabling businesses to thrive.
We can already see opportunities already happening, which is amazing, because and this is exactly where the young generation can lead the way.